Welcome to English literature class, dear students, class 9. Page number 57 is going on. Here the second last paragraph is going on. Page number 57. Put your fingers here and try to understand. Here, at which Muni spoke the only English expressions he had learned. When the foreigner said, Namaste, how do you do? As Muni was illiterate and only he knows the only Tamil language is known to him, known to Muni. He could not understand English as the foreigner, the Englishman, the red man, whatever you say, spoke. At which Muni spoke. When he said, Namaste, how do you do? Muni spoke the only English expressions he learned, yes, no. Only he knew two words, yes, no. So English expressions he had learned, yes, no. Having exhausted his English vocabulary, he started in Tamil. He was not able to speak English, so he started in Tamil. He said, my name is Muni, these two goats are mine, and no one can gainsay, no one can deny, and there is no dispute about it. Though our village is full of slanderers, our village is full of slanderers, of false or unsupported persons. Slanders, of false or unsupported persons. So our village is full of such type of people, of false people. These days, who will not hesitate to say that what belongs to a man doesn't belong to him? Who will not hesitate to say that what belongs to a man doesn't belong to him? The foreigner faithfully looked in the direction indicated by Muni's finger. Foreigner also could not understand what Muni said. The foreigner faithfully looked in the direction indicated by Muni's finger, gazed for a while at the two goats and the rocks, and with a puzzled expression took out his silver cigarette case. He puzzled, he could not understand what Muni wanted to say. So as he puzzled, so he took out his silver cigarette case and lit a cigarette. Suddenly, remembering the courtesies of the season, he asked, do you smoke? He asked Muni, do you smoke? Muni answered, yes, no. Because he could not speak English. He doesn't know except the two words, yes, no. Whereupon, after which, the red-faced man took a cigarette and gave it to Muni, who received it with surprise. Muni received the cigarette with surprise, great surprise, having had no offer of a smoke from anyone for years now. no one asked him for cigarette. So he received the cigarette with a great surprise. He was amazed at the behavior of the red-faced man. He had always wanted to smoke a cigarette. Only once did the shopman give him. He had always wanted to smoke a cigarette. Only once did the shopman give him one on credit. One on credit. He remembered how good it had tasted. It tasted him very good. The other flicked the lighter open. The other quick motion. The other quickly lighted. Lighter. You would lighter, open the lighter and offered a light to Muni. The foreigner opened his lighter and offered a light to Muni. Muni felt so confused about how to act that he blew on it and it put out. How to act that he blew on it and put it out. The other, puzzled by undaunted, showing courage. The other means the Englishman, puzzled by undaunted, showing courage, flourished his lighter again, presented it again, and lit Muni's cigarette. Lit the cigarette again. Muni drew a deep puff and started coughing. Deep puff. His mouth was full of smoke. Drew a deep puff and started coughing. It was racking, no doubt, but extremely pleasant. It was really extremely pleasant. He liked the puff. He liked the cigarette. When his cough subsided, when his cough became lower, he started coughing continuously after smoking the cigarette. When his cough subsided, means become lower. He wiped his eyes and took stock of the situation. The tears came from his eyes. He wiped his eyes and took stock of the situation, understanding that the other man was not an inquisitor, not a person. Inquisitor means a person who inquires. He is not an inspector. He has not come here for any inquiry of any kind. He understood that he has not come here to me to inquire about anything. Inquisitor? No, he is not inquisitor of any kind. Yet in order to make sure really he was an inquisitor or not, he remained very cautious of danger. He was very alert. No need to run away from a man who gave him such a potent smoke. He thought, no need to run away from such a man who gave him such a potent, very powerful smoke, very effective smoke. His head was reeling, his head was a whirling sensation from the effect of one of those strong American cigarettes. As the cigarette was very effective. The strong American cigarette made with roasted tobacco. The cigarette was made with roasted tobacco. The man said, I come from New York. The red-faced man said, I come from New York, took out a wallet from his hip pocket and presented his card. He introduced himself and said to Muni that he has come from New York, and he took out a card and presented from his wallet and presented to Muni. Muni shrank. Muni avoided. Shrank means avoid an unwanted task. He did not want to take that card. Muni shrank away from the card. He was not willing to take the card. Perhaps he was trying to present a warrant and arrest him. As he was in khaki dress, so it was in his mind that he may be a soldier or a policeman. So he thought that it may be a warrant and he has come here to arrest me. Beware of khaki. Beware of khaki. One part of his mind warned. You should be alert. You should be cautious from the of khaki. Khaki means khaki dress, khaki uniform. One part of his mind warned. Take all the cigarettes or whatever is offered, but don't get caught. Whatever he is giving, cigarette or anything, take it, but don't get caught. Beware of khaki. He wished he weren't 70. He wished he weren't 70 as the shopman had said. If his age would not be 70 years. At 71 didn't run. It was very difficult for him to run at 70 years age. But surrendered to whatever came. He could only ward off. He could only prevent trouble by talk. By talk, he can prevent the trouble. So he went on all in the chaste, in simplicity Tamil, in simple Tamil, for which Kritam was famous. Kritam, the village of Muni. Kritam was famous. He said, before God, sir, Bhagwan, who sees everything, I tell you, sir, that we know nothing of the case. Though the red foreigner, the red-faced man, did not ask any inquiry, did not ask anything, but he himself started. He said, before God, sir, Bhagwan, who sees everything, I tell you, sir, that we know nothing of the case. If the murder was committed, whoever did it will not escape. Who murdered? If the murder was committed, whoever did it, who murdered it, it will not escape. Bhagavan is all seeing. Bhagavan is all seeing. Don't ask me about it. Don't ask me about it. I know nothing. I know nothing. I don't know anything about that case. A body had been found mutilated, damaged. Mutilated means damaged, in damaged condition. A body had been found mutilated and thrown under a tamarind tree at the border between Kritam and Kuppam a few weeks before, giving rise to much gossip and speculation, guessing, ideas, guessing. Muni added an explanation. Anything is possible there. People over all there will stop at nothing. The foreigner nodded his head and listened courteously, though he understood nothing. Only the red man, the red foreigner, the red-faced foreigner only listened what Muni said, but he could not understand anything. I am sure you know when this horse was made. He thought that the foreigner thought that Muni said something about the horse. So he said, I am sure you know when this horse was made, said the red man and smiled ingratiatingly. Means, get someone's favor through flattery, said the red man and smiled ingratiatingly, in flattering way. Muni reacted to the relaxed atmosphere by smiling himself and pleaded, please go away, sir. I know nothing. I promise we will hold him for you if we see any bad character around, and we will bury him up to his neck in a coconut pit if he tries to escape. But our village has always had a clean record. Must definitely be the other village. He said that our village has a clean record. The murder was done, the murder was definitely committed by the other village. And what had happened after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.